Jakong puniphay ingkora trokarni India Post Asai campaign chipatir piponsi Sarihajan Government LP School along Dak Chaupal bringing government to your doorstep ajaimek paman pondong. India Post Asai campaign jasemet bangso mai kibipon athike India Post Asai kamalong asonason government pen avar saido lason si saving kithap recurring deposit RD Kisan Vikas Patra India Post Saving Bank, India Post Payment Bank, Digital Banking, Lason si Saving Scheme Pen Ali PPF Senior Citizen Saving Scheme, National Saving Certificate, Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, Postal Life Insurance Lapen, Anparta kapre Post Office along Central Government, State Government Pen, Asonason Scheme Doan, Raditum Varsai Chu Endunang Jiputa, Melong Thanpong. Bangso Melong Assistant Superintendent of Post ASP Dipu Sub-Division Debabrata Bora Durgeswar Bordoloi SDM Postmaster Bokajan Moin Uddin OS Male Dipu Sub-Division Riso Hanse Retired Teacher SGB Sarihajan Kamala Kanta B Retired Teacher GB Hanjangaso Jasman Lakra SGB Talbalijan Longdili Terang Social Worker Kangthir B Senior Citizen Rat Saitlem Banglapen Rongarat Nimarli Tebok Terai Tum Chitong Dunsi Ardi Duklong Pen Me Pachunpon Sangti Hidipen Projenterang Carbing Long Life